Hi, I'm Yasser. I live in Chongqing, China. I love walking around this city. But there's one question that's been bugging me for a long time. That is, what's the difference between humans and animals? Exactly. The one who walks on two legs, that's a human.
日恩人，日恩人，人。
Learning Chinese is really easy, right?
喂，二哥，在干嘛？
没干嘛。
出来玩儿。
And just like that, he followed me. We wander the streets. One person follows another. That's the character.
吃翁虫，吃翁虫，虫。
干嘛去？不知道，好无聊。喂，陈浩宇，在干嘛？
打游戏呢。
出来玩儿。干嘛去？不知道。
One person follows another, with one more person on top. That's the character.
知翁重，知翁重，重。
Look me in the eye. Is learning Chinese still hard?
走累了，休息一下。
For the next part, you don't need to learn or memorize anything. Just relax and watch the video.
人生好漫长。
人生，人生。
这个你知道吗？这个，我问一下，这是干什么？
人力，人力。
这就叫专业。
人工，人工。
你是个人才。
人才，人才。
这个人体模特不错。
人体，人体。
给钱。你这人人品不行。
人品，人品。
怎么拿回去啊？太重了，我们人手不够。
人手，人手。
Hello，
主人，主人。
嗨，
客人，客人。
说起来啊，你们两个从小我就认识了。
从小，从小。
要是回到小时候从头来过，咱还当兄弟吗？
从头，从头。
上次你说请我们吃饭，对啊，我从来没说过啊。
从来，从来。
你请不请？必须请，请，好好好。
服从，服从。
来了好多人，好紧张。
众多，众多。 观众，观众，
我是嘟嘟，欢迎收听山城交通广播。
听众，听众，群众，群众。
See, once you know just a single character, you can automatically understand a whole bunch of characters and words related to people. Don't overthink it. Just think of it as planting a little seed in your mind. It might just sprout on its own someday.
So you see, learning Chinese is really simple, right?
喂，在爪子。
人从众。